What up? Nicholas over here. First time doing this, you know, looking straight into the lens, so don't judge me, but I'm taking it as a challenge, so fuck it, let's do it. Hopefully you will be able to see like who I am, what's Cliqed, Riga, Latvia, and of course the Driftmaster event. We're heading to Bikernieki track. It's competition day 1. Let's wash the car, and we need to put a banner on as well. Hello!
Ciao!
Ciao!
Atere kova karteita.
Ir
Tagad tu esi
legāls.
legāls. Jā. Morning!
Good morning!
Morning, man! How are you?
I'm perfect. How are you? How long did the party go?
Sorry?
How long did you party?
Like 1 o'clock in the night.
Much better. Yeah, so the practice is over. The top 32 gonna start in like 10, maybe 15 minutes. I forgot against whom is the first battle, but if Sebastian passes through into the top 16, he will go against Dean. That's the battle I'm looking forward to. It's gonna be interesting. The whole, like, the left part of top 32 is really strong, so it's gonna be tough.
She's the real tough guy. The working here is the tough guy. The blood is the tough guy.
I told Andy, shut the fuck up. Yeah, Trey?
Bitch, don't step on my past. No money in the end time, running like sound. Just trying to flex for the gram. I'm just speaking on the money in the gram. Can't follow me, shit. Get it, check, running on it. Bad bitch, better see the world. See how you move like that. You need something I
So Sebastian got into top 16, but there was a one more time, and once they pulled up to the start line, like to go to do the one more time, the other guy was leaking, and then I think he got on fire or something like that. So he just got into top 16 by doing one more time by run. It's about 3, maybe 4 or 5 minutes till the top 16 starts. The first battle will be with Dean, so I guess that's the battle of the day for me. I'm gonna try to find a spot. Most probably gonna do two different ones. One at the bank and one at the second one at the start.
The brake caliper broke off. We just welded it, but it's not strong enough.
Ah, it's not. Brake caliper is gone.
It's off now, yeah.
Brake caliper? Yeah, the bolts. That we're holding it on the bracket. Yeah.
What they really don't want to be doing is going to the other side from the mounting plate to the floor.
Podium in local championship. One of a round of the day. He's going to try and look to make a stop to that one. Got himself a little bit further in competition. 16 stop.
Yeah, so to sum up the day, Sebastian lost the top 16 because of the caliper, and Conan won, they went. Piotr was second. Tomorrow is round 4, so another day, another chance. Hopefully everything is fine. Looking forward to it. See you tomorrow.